the race. Horses in. Horses out. We have Mojito fast to begin, moving up in the middle, Alazim, then followed by Pumatone in the middle, Magical Street, Jackson Jazz. Passing before the judges stand, we have Alazim by about 3 lengths. Mojito now moving up to take second. In the middle third comes Pumatone. Danori inside Magical Street and Jackson Jazz in that order. As they leave the straight, Alazim in front by about 3 lengths. Mojito now moving up to take second. And in third comes Magical Street. Pumatone is down in fourth and Jackson Jazz. As they swing down the back, is still in front is Alazim by about 4 lengths. Coming closer now in second is Magical Street. Mojito alongside 7 lengths. So in fourth now comes Jackson Jazz and Pumatone. And nearing the far turn, Alazim is still in front, this time up by 3. Magical Street in second, Danori outside Mojito. Pumatone in fourth, and Jackson Jazz. As they come down to the last 200, Alazim this time by about 6 lengths. Magical Street in second, Danori outside Mojito. Pumatone, Jackson Jazz. Last 75 meters, and it's still Alazim, and finally Alazim, Magical Street.
Yun nga po, 5, 2, 3, and 6.
Yes.
1.
134.4 ang tinapos ng kabayong Alazim para sa distansyang 15-16. Ang mga kwartos, 18 medyo, 24 medyo, 25 at nagtapos ng 26 medyo. Magaling.